Hello students, welcome to the fifth session of methods and tools used in cyber crime. In previous session, we have studied what is weak password. In this session, we will study what is strong password and what is random password. A strong password is long enough, random, or you can say difficult to guess. The password can be only known by the user who chooses it. Following are the examples of strong password. First one, such phrases are long, memorable, and contain an extended symbol to increase the strength of password. Second one, it is mix of numbers and a letter at the end, usually used in mass user accounts, and such passwords can be generated randomly. Third one, it is not a dictionary word, however, it has cases of alpha along with numeric and punctuation characters. Fourth one, it is long with both alphabet and numericals. Fifth one, it is not dictionary word, but it has both alphabets and numerics. So what is random password? We already know how most secure passwords are long with random strings of characters, and such passwords are generally most difficult to remember. Password is stronger if it includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and other symbols. The difficulty in remembering such password increase the chance that the user will write down the password somewhere, which make it more vulnerable to a different attack, maybe paper on which you have written the password being lost or stolen and the password disclosed. The general guidelines applicable to the password policy, which can be implemented organization wide, are following. The first one is passwords and user logon should be unique to each authorized user. Second one, password should consist of minimum of 8 alphanumeric characters. Third one, there should be computer control list of prescribed password rules and periodic testing to identify any password weakness. For example, password should not include sequence letters and sequence numbers, character repetition, initials, common words, and standard names. Fourth one, password should be kept private, that is, not shared with friends and colleagues. Fifth one, password shall be changed every 30 to 45 days. Sixth one, user accounts should be frozen after 5 failed logon attempts. Seventh one, session should be suspended after 15 minutes of inactive and require the password to be re-entered. Eighth one, successful logons should display the date and time of the last logon and log off. Ninth one, logon IDs and password should be suspended after a specific period of non-use. 10th one, for high risk system, after excessive violation, the system should generate an alarm and be able to simulate a continuing session for the failed user. Similarly, netizens should practice the password guidelines to avoid being victim of getting the personal email accounts by the attacker. Netizens are those who uses net. In that, the first one is passwords used for business email accounts, personal email accounts, and banking or financial user accounts should be kept separate. Second one, password should be of minimum 8 alphanumeric characters. Third one, password should be changed every 30 to 45 days. Fourth one, password should not be shared with relatives or friends. Fifth one, password used previously should not be used while renewing the password. Sixth one, passwords of personal email accounts and banking or financial user accounts should be changed from a secured system within couple of days. If these email accounts has been accessed from public internet facilities such as cyber cafes, hotels, libraries. Seventh, password should not be stored under mobile phones. Eighth one, in the case of recipient of email from banking or financial institution instructing to change the password before clicking the web links displayed in the email. Ninth one, similarly, in case of recipient of SMS from banking or financial institution instructing to change the password, first check whether the email is from genuine website or not. 10th one, in case email accounts or user accounts have been hacked, respective agencies or institute should be contacted immediately. So that's it for today's session.